Good morning guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa train station. Papunta tayo sa Belfast. So
happy anniversary!
we're going to celebrate our anniversary kahit
11 years.
kahit wala kaming pera. Okay.
Waiting siya sa bus. We are now in...
So we are now in Belfast. Kararating lang. Go again.
We're here again in Belfast. We're going to our hotel na. Hotel muna tayo. We'll check kung pwedeng iwan yung gamit namin.
Sabi naman nila, pwede naman daw.
Sabi nila? Nakausap mo?
Ano lang na?
Nakausap mo? Or feeling mo lang?
Pili ko.
Yeah.
Lapit na tayo sa hotel.
This is pala the Dean's Epic. Ito rin dapat, inaano ko noon. Nasa Michelin ano rin siya. Kainan din siya. Fine dining. Ha? Oo, wait ka. Malapit sa Fitzwilliam Hotel, Belfast. Ayan na, let's go. Ayan o. Kita mo? Tatawid tayo sa kabila. Ayun siya. Ayan na o. Ang laki o. Ayan, Leonardo Hotel. Tayo, oo. Diyan tayo. Mag-check-in. Oh yes, and we are here na sa hotel. Mamaya na, picturean kita dyan. Later, okay? Check, tignan muna natin kung pwede tayo. Here we are in Leonardo Hotel. So let's check. Okay, ang hotel na namin, ang room na namin pala. Ready na. So
Okay.
nice actually.
Na-advance kami ng oras. Okay.
That's good.
Okay, pwede muna tayo matulog.
Sayang naman yung oras natin, Daddy.
Okay. Hello guys! Ay,
Third floor.
third floor?
Fourth floor.
Oh, dito na kami. 4 to 5. Here.
Here.
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Let's check our room.
Okay, maingay. Ito pa mga tao. Okay. This one. Where you are?
4 to 5. It's not 4 to 5. 4 to 5.
Ito.
4 to 5.
Okay. Scan it.
Yes. Wow, nice cat. And let's check our room.
Let's scan.
You're very warm. Welcome to Leonardo Hotel, Belfast. Nice.
Dito tayo ngayon.
Please come in. Yes, this is our room. So let's have a quick tour muna sa room
Okay.
bago tayo umalis. So we have now, small sofa. I think this is a sofa bed. I think so.
Siguro.
Or no.
Kaya mo
Not
na siya.
sure. And this is our bed.
Mhm.
And we have mirror. Just diba, parang ano lang. And we have at least. Actually, I brought also like a hanger.
Okay.
May iron. Nagdala rin ako ng steamer namin if in case. Mayroon pa lang sila tayo. Sige. Buksan natin. No? Actually, don't know where. Tingnan natin. No, that's for okay. Here. Yes. So, ito. May bathtub and may... Ayun. There it is. Nice naman ang room nito.
Okay.
So, dito na lang pala cover sa towel. Okay. Ano hair dryer? Meron ako.
Dahil dyan, kailangan muna namin mag-TikTok bago kami mag-city tour dito sa Belfast. And watch out for the continuation of our vlog.